Hi! In front of me is Nokia G60 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, just open Settings and scroll all the way down. Now click on About Phone at the bottom. Then you need to click on Device Name over here. And finally type in whatever you wish to. I will go with Moon. Now you need to choose OK in this pop-up, and then this one to save your changes. As you can see, after that, name of my Nokia has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!